In this video, I'm going to show you how to play YouTube music on Alexa. So first of all, you just have to know that Alexa does not support YouTube music. So the two fixes is you just have to use Bluetooth to play YouTube music on Alexa. Like you have a device or a Bluetooth a speaker, things like that, or a Amazon Echo, or you should also use just some smartphone or computer, but they don't work together. That's why you need some Bluetooth or something like device to pair with. So as you can see in here, you just have to open the Bluetooth pair mode, and you just have the device of an Alexa, and just connect it with Alexa and pair Bluetooth to Amazon Echo. So as you can see in this, just pair the Bluetooth with Echo, and once it's done, you should play YouTube music on Alexa over Bluetooth. So it doesn't go provided with the Alexa. Like you could play Alexa with YouTube music, like ask him it, but you just have to use a Bluetooth to play with YouTube music. But with Alexa, I think it would not be possible because they won't work together. And as you can see, even in your computer, you just have to press Bluetooth, and the only way to play YouTube music on Alexa is by Bluetooth, and that's only it. And that's it.